Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 19, 2025, just 2 days ago. The big idea is a shift from one-number scores to skill-aware diagnosis, with a framework that pinpoints exactly which financial skills a model has or lacks, rather than hiding everything behind a single aggregate. The paper is titled, From Scores to Skills, a Cognitive Diagnosis Framework for Evaluating Financial Large Language Models. And the implications for model training are quite significant. In short, the authors unveil FinCDM and the CPA-QKA dataset, revealing hidden gaps, under-tested areas like tax and regulation, and behavioral clusters across 30 models. Alright, this figure lays out the end-to-end workflow, from dataset construction to cognitive diagnosis. On the left, we see experts authoring and double-checking certified public accountant-style questions, tagging each with precise knowledge points to build the CPA-QKA dataset. In the middle, model responses to those questions feed into concept-tagged records, which replace a single accuracy with per-skill evidence. On the right, the framework factorizes answer and concept matrices into latent skill matrices, then combines them to produce model-by-concept mastery for diagnosis. Next, this table reports annotation reliability, which matters because the diagnosis only works if concept labels are consistent. The overview shows 3 agreement metrics across 2 datasets. For CPA-QKA, Krippendorf's alpha reaches 0.937, and both sigma and KS-based measures hit near perfect values. For FinEval-KQA, sigma is 0.9208 and KS-based is 1, indicating strong but slightly lower consistency. Building on the reliability results, this figure shows the full concept map that anchors the questions, so you can see breadth as well as structure. The inner ring lists 6 major areas, like accountant, audit, tax law, economic law, financial cost management, and company strategy and risk management. The outer ring then expands each area into fine-grained concepts, which total 70 distinct topics. This hierarchical layout matters because skill diagnoses roll up from specific concepts to their parent domains, revealing where strengths concentrate and where gaps persist. Now this table compares models on 2 datasets side by side, listing concept mastery counts and accuracy, which together show breadth and depth. The left block covers CPA-QKA, where GLM-4 tops concept mastery at 40 of 70, and Dubao 256K and Gemini 2.5 Pro hit 0.84 accuracy. The right block shows FinEval-KQA, where Gemini 2.5 Pro and Dubao 1.5 Pro lead accuracy near 0.87 to 0.88. The contrast highlights that leaders shift depending on concept coverage. Continuing from the side-by-side results, 2 takeaways stand out. Skill-aware diagnosis beats one-number scores because it reveals where each model actually succeeds and fails, and balanced coverage like CPA-QKA reshuffles the leaderboard, exposing gaps in tax, regulation, and managerial finance. Thanks for tuning in. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.